Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fifth numerical of indeterminacy of trusses. Question is written as find the kinematic indeterminacy of the structure. Now we need to find here the kinematic indeterminacy of the given truss. Now we know that in case of trusses, each joint will be subjected to two possible movements, that is horizontal displacement and vertical displacement. So we just write at each and every joint value as 2. Okay. Now we know that at hinge support there will be 0 degree of freedom and at roller support there will be 1 degree of freedom. Now after adding all these value we will get the total kinematic indeterminacy of this structure, which will be equals to 17. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.